everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Ulta Mastercard online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in d.community.net/Ultimate Rewards Credit and press enter on your keyboard. Select the Ultimate Rewards Mastercard option from the options displayed on the screen and then click on the sign in button from the main home page. Enter your username and password in the text boxes. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials for you, check this little remember me box. Leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. If you don't remember your username and password, click on the forgot username/password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. Finally, click the sign in button to log into your Ulta Mastercard account right away. Ulta Mastercard is a credit card offered by Ulta Beauty, which is known as a popular beauty retailers in the United States. The Ulta Mastercard is issued by Community Bank and it can be used anywhere the Mastercard is accepted. That is how you can access your Ulta Mastercard online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.